I love reveal day. Makes me happy. Hey fam, getting ready to do another client reveal. I'm so excited. Stay tuned. I want you to remember what it looks like.
Oh yeah.
Or,
Yeah. Yeah.
remember?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. And now, let's see what it looks like now.
Oh, this is not a it's not a mannequin for clothes.
This guy here.
Oh wow. Wow.
Oh
Whoa, my goodness.
Wow, look at this.
This looks brand new.
Yes, open it up, please.
Wow.
This was
New
an excellent
hardware. Oh, that is hot.
It looks excellent. It really does. This is
Wow.
inside.
That is amazing.
So I want you to open the drawers.
I'm down to do
When you
that.
open the drawers, I need you to open them together. This is what the
You gotta
surprise
lift up
I
a
was
little
talking
bit.
about.
Oh.
Create your
Because
own
you guys,
sunshine.
especially, you
Because
are
I'm
so-
big on creating sunshine.
Yes.
You wouldn't even.
Yes.
Did you know that?
I know you.
Wow, and I say that to create your own sunshine. Yep.
That
Be
is
kind.
awesome.
That's awesome. That's a great message.
You talk about
Wow, that's just beautiful.
So every time you open the drawer,
XO.
Travel when possible.
Life is a journey. I love what
Don't
you do.
quit.
Don't quit. Good vibes only. That's us.
Amen.
That's us.
All who wander are lost. We ain't wandering. We got destination.
That means we can't put nothing in the drawer. We got to show that off. Right? Smile often. Dream big. Powerful.
Smile often. Do what you love. That's what I was just saying to this young lady yesterday, who was devastated that she had got a transition on.
That's real nice.
you guys are always so encouraging with your words. I thought that this would also
It
continue to
absolutely
encourage
represent.
you.
Oh, thank you so
Wow.
much. Your work is outstanding.
Thank you.
We are absolutely
Thank you,
pleased.
sir.
Thank you.
All right.
This is an excellent presentation.
Thanks a lot, my man.
Excellent
my
presentation. We are absolutely the Parkers. Come over here, baby. Capture this when they edit it. The Parkers are just. We're not surprised. We expected excellence, and this is a demonstration of excellence. And this was a precious. This is over 100 years old. This is my husband's family's legacy, and it is precious. And we gave it and put it in the care of Madison's Furniture because we trust her. We trust the company to do not just a good job, but an excellent job and protect it. And without question, she delivered. She exceeded even our expectations.